Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you touch up photos on iPhone. So guys, just select the photo that you want to touch up or edit. After selecting the photo, in the top right side here you can see edit option, click on it. And in the bottom left side here you can see portrait. This photo is in portrait mode. You can manage the portrait by swiping right side or left side. And the second option is in the bottom, adjust, click on it, and you can adjust anything from your photos. Just like if you swipe it like this and it is exposure, here you can see if you just swipe it right side, the exposure will be high like this. If you again swipe it, it is brilliance, and swipe it right side or left side according to your choice. You can change the highlight if you want to lower the highlight or hide the highlight. You can manage the shadows. You can adjust the contrast. You can adjust the brightness of the video. You can adjust the black point. Saturation. Vibrance as well. In the bottom third option here you can see filters. You can change the filters of the video. And after that, click the top right done. And by doing this you can just touch up photos on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.